All right, so I am outside of a house in Denver. This had a carport that we enclosed in to create a garage to help improve the property value. So we have all new siding on this house. We painted the brick. We put new windows in. All new flooring, new baseboards, new fixtures, new cabinets, countertops, new appliances. Everything you're looking at is all new in this house. So we made our neighborhood record. This sold for, or it's under contract for $492,500. We purchased this for $282. Now, granted, we did put a lot of money into it, but it still was a very healthy swing. We made a new high for the neighborhood. We never anticipated being able to sell it for $492. That was a treat, right? This is a new neighborhood high. So this will be the third time we've made a high in Montbello. It's here and back. The new siding really made this look nice. And that used to be a carport that kind of wrapped around. It was all just open. But when we put the back wall in for the garage, it helped to make this an enclosed kind of backyard space. And here is our garage. Show you the basement quick. We did not spend money on new windows in the basement because we wouldn't get a return on them. There used to be kind of a bedroom here, a makeshift bedroom area. We ripped that out so we could have a bigger living room area. Here we have our third bathroom. Everything brand new. Our fifth bedroom and sixth bedroom. There are 6 bedrooms in this house. Which is why we didn't need the bedroom around the corner here, right? You don't need 7 bedrooms in a house. So we ended up with 6 bedrooms, 3 baths, which is plenty to hit the top of the neighborhood. Obviously, we beat the previous record high sales price for the neighborhood. So I enjoyed being able to show this to you. If you go back and look at some of our past videos, you can see what this house looked like before we started anything. So it's a huge transformation. Hopefully it gives you some ideas for what you can do with some of the houses you're looking at. Thanks for watching.